Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today is Vlogmas Day 13 and I'm going to be sharing with you guys a second part of my fall home tour. And this time we are upstairs in our family room. So upstairs I did decorate everything in a neutral color scheme and with a farmhouse inspired twist. So you guys can see my fall tree behind me. I did share with you all how I decorated that tree. So it was like the inspiration for the direction that I went in this space for our home decor. So if you're interested in seeing how our family room came together, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so as you come upstairs to our family room space, you're greeted with this little view of Addison's rocking chair and this super cute little owl that I got from Big Lots last year, I think. The little antique rocking chair I got from an antique store, and that pillow is from Walmart. This beautiful hutch piece was a thrift find, and the absolutely beautiful magnolia spray is from Kirkland's, as well as this church house picture is also from Kirkland's. And we'll just pan around here. You guys can see I moved my white elephants up here. They're just holding down the corner there. And here on my nesting tables, these I did get from a consignment store years ago. And I have my pumpkins there from Kirkland's, a little Dollar Tree pumpkin. This, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. That is our family mantra. And that sign was actually thrifted, as well as this brass lamp was as well. And I just added the linen lampshade to it. And I just have some magnolias there in the corner. Those are from Walmart. I'll pan back here so you guys can take in the full view of the large sectional sofa we have up here. And panning down to the floor, we have our shag rug that's always here. And I just layered on top of that this beautiful faux fur rug that I picked up from Ross last year in white, just to give a little brightness to this space. And on our little ottoman here, I have this tray display. I did just recently share that with you guys in a video. Be sure to check my fall playlist. I have all of my fall 2019 videos there. Here, I'll take you guys in here a bit. You can see that's Addison when he was 3 years old, I think. And that little picture at the pumpkin patch. And then I have my ginger jars, the large one there I thrifted. The smaller one's from Ross. Some greenery from Walmart. This gold and cream pumpkin is from Kirkland's. The pineapple is from Burlington's. And as we pan around here on the sofa, I have this faux fur throw, also from Ross, with a variety of pillows that I've had for a long time. The Hello Fall pillow is from Target a few years ago. On the sofa table behind the sofa, I have a lantern that my husband picked up for me from Lowe's, with a white pumpkin from Walmart and a lamp and some floral tree back there. Let me pan around again here. My side table on this side, I have my little doggy from Pier 1, the other white lantern. This little white pumpkin is from Burlington's, with again some magnolia sprays from Walmart. The candlestick is from Haverty's, and the pumpkin is from Walmart as well. And I'll go over here so you can get a closer view. And as we pan around again, this is the television here. And on the television tray, I do have this spray, which is from Ross. Another pumpkin trio there. This one is from Kirkland's, the little gray one, and this white one. They're all from Target. As I pan back here, this fall sign is from Hobby Lobby. The pumpkin propped up on the fall sign is from Walmart. And these two large pumpkins here, the white ones, are from TJ Maxx. And our fall tree. I did do a video showing how I decorated this tree, so if you would like to see that decorate with me, again, it is in the Fall 2019 playlist, and I will remember to link it in the iCards above if you guys want to check that out. This 3-tiered pumpkin, that's like 3-level pumpkin or whatever, is from TJ Maxx. The Harvest Blessing sign is from Ross, as well as this basket that everything is in. The little blanket there is as well. Those pillows are from Hobby Lobby. The large R is from Hobby Lobby years ago, and that gray pumpkin is from Walmart. Up here on the metal piece is my wreath. I did get this from the at-home store at a discount at the end of the season last year. And I had it downstairs on our fireplace mantle, and I decided to bring it up here because I love the natural element of it. And you can kind of see it has these little specks of silver. So I felt like it was a nice piece to add up here. And I left it very simple without adding a bow or anything because I wanted just a really natural, simple look. I really was going for a really muted, understated farmhouse elegance look up here, and I think I have achieved that. Leave me comments down below to let me know if you guys agree. And as I pan back here, I'm going to take you guys into the guest bathroom to see how I've decorated that space as well. So as we go in here, you're greeted with this thankful rug that I did get from, I think, Family Dollar a couple of years ago. And I have one over here also in the water closet area. So I'll just pan up here so you guys can see this space. I just added some pumpkins on back of the toilet and a few towels that just says give thanks. So I didn't do too much in here, but I did want to add just a touch of fall. And I also included this vase filled with some, sticks and other foliage there. So then we'll pan around here and you can see the sink area. I did also do a video on how I decorated this space. And again, that's in that fall playlist. And so I'll just pan over here so you guys can see this vignette. That's a little owl there, and it's filled with fall foliage from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. The candle there is from, I think, Michael's, and that cute little gray pumpkin is from Target. As well as this little white pumpkin from Target. This is one of those, the tray is actually a little sign from the Dollar Tree that I'm using as a tray. I'm also using a thrifted picture frame as a tray for our hand soaps and body spray and lotions for my guests to use. And as I pan up here, our towel is there, and then I just have this little hello fall or happy fall sign there. Again, adding a little farmhouse touch to this space as well. I think it looks so cute, and I think that it coordinates well with the family room space. And I'm just going to pan around here so that you guys are not blinded by the light, so you can see this vignette on this side. And it's just a tray filled with pumpkins and just more pumpkins. This tray here, I think the tray is from Ross, and this kind of minty green color pumpkin with the gold stem, as well as this one back here. And all of these velvet ones are from Target, as well as the Hello Fall sign is from Target as well. This larger 3-tiered white pumpkin is from TJ Maxx, and all of the other little white pumpkins there, and most of the greenery and florals is from the Dollar Tree. These hurricanes that I have there, I've had them for so many years. I can't remember where I've gotten them from, but they're like wicker hurricanes. I just love those. I've had them for a very long time. And on the wall here is a wall art that coordinates with the one near the shower. And this little owl here is from TJ Maxx, I do believe. So that is our guest bathroom space. Okay guys, so this is our upstairs family room. The entire space all decorated for fall. Again, like I said, I didn't do a whole lot. The most that I did was the fall tree, and everything else were just a little fall touches here and there. But I think it looks so pretty. It's very casual but also elegant, and I love how I married the traditional look with a farmhouse look, because you guys can see our furniture is very traditional, but I did add the touches of farmhouse to make it a little bit more casual and comfortable. I'll just pan up here so you guys can see how the ceiling is. So it's overcast today, so I apologize that the lighting is a little dark, but that's kind of what I like about this space too. It's very cozy, and I like to sit up here and watch movies in the fall of the year. It's kind of like our hangout spot. So that is our space. Pan back over here so you guys can see this one. And okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, please be sure to go ahead and click the thumbs up button. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button. And also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And guys, it's absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything to click the subscribe button, but it definitely helps my channel out tremendously. And for my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much. And I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.